In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself with Google effectively. The world of information is vast, and Google serves as an essential tool for navigating through it. Our journey today will take you through practical steps to optimize your use of Google, making it easier for you to find the answers you need, starting with a common problem-solving approach. Imagine you're encountering the issue of old emails not showing up in Gmail. This might have been a problem for days, and you're growing increasingly frustrated. The first step is to open a browser and head to the Google search page. In the search bar, type the issue you're experiencing, such as how to fix old emails not showing in Gmail. Google search is incredibly powerful when it comes to resolving technical issues like this, and just by phrasing your problem correctly, you may find an array of resources and guides available at your fingertips. As you hit enter, notice the plethora of results Google provides. These results are drawn from all corners of the internet, offering solutions or discussions surrounding your query. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. The key here is to sift through and find credible and relevant sources. Google will generally provide a mix of forum discussions, blog posts, and official help pages. For resolving issues, focus on results from reputable sites, especially ones ending with .edu, .gov, or the official site for your service provider. In this case, anything connected to Google or Gmail is a good bet. You may encounter many different suggestions, but start by choosing the ones that seem most relevant to your problem. I recommend beginning with official Google support, as these are directly from the developers of the software you're using and often provide the most reliable fixes. You could also look for solutions on dedicated tech forums like Stack Exchange, Tech Support Guy, or Tech Republic, where professionals and users alike share tested solutions. After you've gathered the information, you can apply the recommended solutions. Often, for something like old emails, this might involve adjusting settings, clearing caches, or reconfiguring your email filters. Each step should be followed carefully, and if at any point you find additional terminology or technical steps confusing, a quick Google search of those terms can provide further clarity. Remember, patience is crucial when trying to fix technical issues. If one solution doesn't work, try another. Google's algorithm is constantly evolving, meaning your search results will be tailored based on the relevance, so the more specific your queries and solutions, the better your outcomes may be. By following these steps, not only will you resolve your email issues, but you'll also become more adept at using Google as a guiding tool to navigate and solve everyday technical challenges.